Are you having problems that your FreshCut app that it's not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had a lot of problems with this one before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did is that I just firstly closed my FreshCut app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I'm just going to go back to homepage here on my settings. So now when you're on your homepage on settings, what you're going to do in here is to just scroll down, and then you're going to click on general in here. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, what I did is that I scrolled down, and then I clicked on storage in here, and as you can see, you should now be taken here. And on this page, I just simply scrolled up like this until I can see the search bar up top, and then I clicked on the search bar and I searched for FreshCut, and here as you can see, and just clicked on it, and then I clicked on offload app, and once again I clicked on offload app in here, and just wait and click on the reinstall app button here as you can see, and just now simply wait for your FreshCut app to completely update to its latest version, because I guess that when they maybe when they release like a new update, we need to be able to get it to fix all the bugs and stuff like that that was in the previous version. So one of the bugs is that your app is not working, obviously, so try to do this and go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.